I first started using SolidWorks as soon as I came out of university. I was helping a lot of startups, and most of those startups were designing their products, be that consumer, medical, industrial, using SolidWorks. ScubaTx is an organ preservation device. The key technology for us is persiflation. Essentially what we can do is by using our advanced temperature control technology and then in combination with persiflation technology we can cool organs down for transport, and we can provide oxygen to those organs by persiflating gas through them.
With an organ transplant, many organs are available that can't be used because they can't reach a recipient in time. Current way that organs are transferred from a donor to a recipient is they're put in an ice box, which is essentially the same kind of ice box that you can buy in Go Outdoors, and put in an ice box with ice and then taken to the recipient as fast as possible. That organ is essentially holding its breath. That chilling effect is taken way below where it should be. So what the ScubaTx product does is it keeps that organ at a much more happy temperature, somewhere around between 6 and 10 degrees, and it also gives that organ oxygen to breathe whilst it's in transit. That organ can actually travel for longer, so it gives more people a chance of having an organ.
The starter program, we ended up on it after we contacted SolidX. That's absolutely critical to us because as a startup, cash flow and funding is always something that we're cognizant of to make sure that we get the product to market in good time and in good quality. Making sure that we get SolidWorks for a year to get us started and to enable us to use that really powerful piece of software is absolutely critical.
And as technical director, I'm interested in the review and release process that we've set up, allowing us to have a workflow that ensures when Alex releases a design, I'm reviewing it, Darren is then releasing it to the manufacturer, so that 3 pairs of eyes go across that design before we go to the expense of having it made.
The 3D experience platform for us is absolutely critical. The cloud-based system for us is a really robust way of storing the data. It avoids us having to manage our own infrastructure. It was really quick to deploy. We could move, as we moved onto 3D experience, we were able to move our CAD quickly and easily onto 3D experience, which immediately gave us access to both the revision control and the change control process. It's been critical for sharing with suppliers. It allows not just me, but other members of the team to quickly grab step files of models. It allows me as well to, as we speak to suppliers and we're out and about, I can take my laptop. I don't need to have full-fat SolidWorks running.
The thermal simulations Alex has produced have allowed us to quickly prototype ideas without spending lots of money on building a physical prototype.
Flow simulation for us is an interesting one. Although the title is flow simulation, it's very much a thermal thing for us. We, with our advanced temperature control system, we need to use as little aluminium as possible to reduce the weight of the device for the users, whilst maintaining that perfect thermal transfer that we get. So optimizing that, removing any waste aluminium with repeated simulations and repeated thermal optimization means that our device gets to the thermal performance it has today that we've been able to prove without having excessive weight or excessive cost associated with it. We have more confidence when we produce a prototype thanks to flow simulation. Visualize has been important to us for producing renders. As a startup, we need to show our progress and show the device that we're developing and communicate that message to the market.
It feels fantastic to be creating a product that could eventually save lives, give more people a chance to get a transplant. It allows us to essentially do something that makes you glad to get up in the morning. You're excited to come and see if you can make a difference.